Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. Haven't updated this car for a while. This is the custom build wide body Honda Civic. So in earlier videos we shared with you where we're doing quite a few unique or different things to this car. So just as a refresher or recap, we're making our own wide body kit where you can see on the side there the driver rear quarter panel, where we've made our own wide body flares. We've built it into the actual rear bumper cover, and you can see where everything is being contoured right now with smoother. So we're block sanding, doing quite a bit of work. You can see along the front, it looks funny here because we just have the donut tires in the back to give us room for the rear flares. But you can see the overall effect of what it's going to look like here in the front with the wide body, because these are the special custom wheels and tires that will be going with this Honda Civic wide body. So that's kind of the effect we're looking at. We like to do a lot of dry fitting to make sure everything's going to line up and fit and look correct. As we come along to the back, you can see we don't have the cladding on because we're sanding it separately. And then we've done a considerable amount of work to this back section. And what I neglected to share with you before, so we're doing a lot of different things. We have it's basically going to be a high performance upgraded engine. We've added a turbo to it, and we're guessing we're probably going to be somewhere in that 300 plus horsepower range in this little Civic. So a couple things we wanted to do to continue with the rarity of it. I wanted to do something with this rear section. So as a team or as a crew, we got together with the idea or concept, because on these Honda Civics, the exhaust system, just by the way the back section of these Civics are designed, there's a drop down for a spare tire. There's a big gully, and it's always in the way between the gas tank and this rear section if you wanted to change or do something different with the exhaust system. And something that was really important to me, and the guys thought I was crazy at first, and I wanted to do a dual pipe kind of setup, but in the center of the Civic, because I really like the way the wide body looks. We've got some aftermarket taillights and custom blue paint that we're going to be painting it, and having the lower section so it's lower and wider looking in terms of body kit and appearance. I just wanted to accentuate that by centering the exhaust system. So we've purchased a custom muffler. We're going to make our own custom exhaust with our Pearson bender. So we're going to have a custom look exhaust, and I want it to come out the center. The only way to do that, because I didn't want to cut into the bumper too much, and I didn't want to have the big tailpipe coming out on this side where it typically comes out the passenger rear section. There's a lot of work that needed to be done, and I've got some junk in our way, but I'll show you this top part first. What we basically did, and it's quite a bit of work, is we basically cut out, we removed the gas tank, we cut out that whole section where your spare tire would rest in, and then we made this new, and it's galvanized steel, we made this new panel, and then we've added ribs to it for supports. Now we haven't finished it yet, but what we're going to end up doing is this will be all finished off and protected with a two-part epoxy, and then this will all be painted inside, and then when the interior is back in, we're doing a black leather interior, when the carpet's set back in here, this is going to look basically bone stock like factory. What I'd like to share with you is the underside. So what I'll do is I'll just grab the, I'll attempt, because it's really low to the ground, and just a thought here, I believe what I can do is I can share with you what it looks like on the underside, to share with you the work that was done underneath. So you can see, as I come up with the camera there, you can see we have our suspension upgrades here, where we have the adjustable suspension. We have these custom trailing arms that are very similar to the color that's going to be of the body of the car. We still have quite a bit of detail work to do to the suspension piece. As you can see, we've got some marks and some surface rust, which we'll be dealing with later on. But we dry fitted the suspension. You can see in this back section, which turned out quite well, it's quite a bit of work though, because we had to cut that section out. You can see that whole back wall. We made a pattern piece first, and then we welded in that galvanized steel panel, and then up above from the bottom, as I come across, you can see that's the other side of the rib steel. That would be the bottom
section of the trunk hatch area. So now that we have the ribbing there, that gives it some strength and reinforcement, but it also opens up this area because you can see the gas tank is forward of that reinforcement arm that's going across, which is part of the suspension. So on this side, what will end up happening, we'll grind all those welds smooth, we'll paint it with a two-part epoxy to protect it, and then we'll do a rubberized commercial grade rocker guard. So this will all be sealed, but now it allows us the room to do a custom exhaust system, which is going to come basically out the center where I prefer it to go, so it looks more aesthetically pleasing. Because if the camera person just kind of goes, try to be in the middle and go back a little bit, I think you can pick it up. You can see the wide flares here, and the wheel and tire package that we have is going to be almost flush with this rear flare. So everything being consistent, we have the wide body quarter panel, the wide body rear bumper, the lower cladding, so everything being uniform, having the exhaust system coming up the middle was kind of a neat, important feature to me. And it's just something that shows a little more custom work or a little more creativity, and it makes this Civic a little more unique. So just want to share with you, this is a brief update on the custom wide body Honda Civic, and as we continue with this Civic, we'll try to share with you some more updates as the build continues. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.